today at Summit Point, and we're heading off to Jefferson Circuit. Man, this facility is huge, and today we're following the blue line. Check this out. So you can see the blue line pavement. This is my first time rolling up to the track. I'm here kind of late. I wanted to sleep in because I was tired. We went out last night, had a good time, and yeah, following this. Jeez, man, this track looks huge. And look at this road. This thing's insane to get back here. I wonder how they got the trucks and trailers back here. Anyways, yeah, here we go. Day 2, Driftweek 8. Car still surviving, a little battered and bruised, but here we are. Brad's gonna follow him, but he don't know. We're gonna freaking smoke him. Christ.
We are flying.
Jesus.
We are flying.
That's a lot of speed. A lot of speed.
Let's see what he's at. Yeah, that shit's insane. I gotta take a cool down lap.
That bumper's about to be gone.
Oh yeah, that bumper's gonna be gone. Also, it smells like dog poop in here because I stepped in dog poop.
Oh, great.
It's on the bottom of my feet. I just got a whiff of it right now.
Oh, that's
we slow
gross.
down.
It's disgusting.
But the cool down time around this, like the lap, is pretty sick.
Just like one full thing and then you're good?
Yeah.
That's sick. Hell yeah.
What do we do? 2 laps right now? Yeah.
Yeah, that's 2 straight laps.
Back to back. So
Yeah.
I'm at 225. I could probably get another lap, but it's just better to save it. Like, let the tires cool down and everything.
This is just so insane. Like, wow, the scenery.
Here we go!
He's done a hella smoking that fucking Z, I tell you what.
It's probably all fucking probably all like, exhaust smoke.
Yeah.
Oh man,
Oh,
we're
Jesus
ripping.
Christ, yeah.
We're going so fast. Oh damn. You see those cars?
Yeah, I'm about to zoom in, but I couldn't.
Dang.
Oh. That's it.
Alright, so this is hilarious. I'm on a borrowed jack because there's so many tires in the Valino trailer, which is my trailer. And yeah, me and Ian are sharing a jack, which is his jack. And the little spring right here gets stuck. So I have to get a screwdriver and bring it up every time. So I can do a little pump, bring it back up and hold it. So this is ridiculous. Ugh. So it's like a super struggle because we're too cheap to buy jacks and the spring doesn't want to come back up. So I'm just gonna sit here and continue to do this until my wheels get off the ground. Oh, this is so dumb. Only drifters are retarded like this. And there's so much mud under here from yesterday. I have not even washed the car or cleaned it. Oh, there it goes. It started working. Once it gets some pressure, it does just what you need it to do. Oh, oh yeah. Woo! Well, I'm so happy today. Freaking, we did so many laps here at Jefferson. On the last lap, intercooler piping popped off, and I was like, all right, I'm okay right there. I'm safe with that. We've been getting it all day, and yeah, I'm fucking stoked that this thing running probably the best it's ever ran, and just the small little cooling upgrades that we did. Anyways, off to the next track tomorrow, which we're back at Shenandoah, and that one will probably be dry, so maybe some different content. Maybe try to get some more outside clips. Anyways, if you made it this far, later.